Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist and YouTuber, content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how to do this quick 10-15 minutes makeup, quick, easy, breezy, going to school, going to work, I'm late for work makeup. If you want to see how I recreated this makeup look, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes a second. Hello guys, welcome back. So we're going to begin priming with our Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Just going to take a pea-sized amount. On days when I am in a rush and I don't want like a full face beat, this is what I do. So more often than not, this is the kind of makeup look you are gonna find me on. For foundation, I'm going to be using a lightweight foundation. This is my Pretty Fresh foundation. I'm just going to take 1.5 pump right there, and I'm going to just dot that all over the face. It's been a while I did this kind of fast day-to-day makeup look. This is my I am late for work makeup. I just want to have something on my face. I want to look put together, and this is what I would typically do. It is very, very fast, like so fast. This is practically all I do. Always make sure the foundation you use is like your skin tone. Don't use a lighter foundation because you might not really have time to blend in so much. And then I go for, because I have black bags under my eye and I want the look to be seamless, I normally use this my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Rich Cocoa. I also use the LA Girl Concealer in, I think, Espresso. And I will just take my beauty sponge and blend it in so that that place under my eye, over my eyelid, is covered. Like there are no bags, there are no dark circles and all of that. This is my quick, easy, breezy, I'm rushing to work makeup. Then I'll take my Beauty by AD setting powder in the shade beige. Beige is like the deepest shade they currently have, and it's appearing a bit light on camera, but this is more like Laura Mercier medium deep powder. It's like my skin tone. Take it over top my eyes, just on the nose, the eyebrow. This is my quick, easy, breezy makeup look. And forget the fact that I'm talking and I'm trying to film this. On a good day, 10 minutes, 11 minutes, I am done. The next thing I do is to take my face powder. I'm going to be using the Zyron Brown Skin Powder in Brick. And I'm just going to use that to tap over the rest of my face, just to set everything in place. This is going as fast as I can, being that I'm talking and I have to bring out the items and show you. And then I take my Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade Dark, and I take this red shade to serve more like a blush, a bronzer kind of thing, just to add some color and warmth to the face so that the face is not looking like entirely flat. And if you are like my skin tone, that red tone is very, very beautiful as like a blush kind of color It just adds this flush to the face. Okay, and then the next thing I go into is my brows. I have I'm looking for my other brow pencil. I can't find it. Typically, I would have my DD Beauty brow pencil somewhere here, and I normally use, okay, found it. DD Beauty brow pencil. I'll just use it to brush up the brow hairs. And then I'll go in with my Davis number 3 brow pencil and just try as much as I can to follow my brow hairs, because we might not always have the time to clean it up. Okay, so we're not going for like the very chiseled eyebrows today. We're just going for clean eyebrows. Oh, my hair is everywhere. Typically, if I wasn't filming, I will not have this wig on, so I will not be going through this. Just be on my low cut running this. Okay, we're done with that. Where's the pencil I used just now? Ooh. Just going to brush the tip of the brows. Just brush it out and brush upwards. And just because I made a mistake on these eyebrows today, on a normal day I wouldn't do this, but because I made a mistake, where is that concealer we used earlier? Ooh, I have things everywhere. I'm going to take that same skin tone concealer we used earlier, a very little bit of it, and we're just going to go under the arc of the brow just to give it some definition. We're not doing too much, just some definition. That is all. Can you see now? Just so that the eyebrow looks a bit neater, because I made a mistake while I was drawing on the brows. Normally I rarely make mistakes, so very rarely. Okay, then I would take either my Morphe Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette or any other eyeshadow palette that have dark browns. You can see this row right here. That is my jam. I will take like a very deep brown shade and apply all over the lid. Blend it into the crease, to the next eye, all over the lid. Okay, blend it into the crease. Then I'll go for like an orangey shade just to blend the transition area. Okay, the next thing that I would typically do is to take like a black pencil to apply in my waterline. Then, because I have lines underneath my eye, I will take a smudging brush like this and one of that dark brown eyeshadow. On a good day, I move faster than this, just to smoke out under the eye right here. Just to smoke it out to get some dimension. That is it though. I'll just take a small brush like this, dust off any fallout from under the eye, take my Kiss Beauty mascara, apply it on the lashes. It just brings the lash out, no liner, nothing, just apply it. Okay, you already have your blush on. Then I go in with a brown lip pencil like this one from Judy Beauty. I also use the Zaron lip pencil in bold just to line my lips. This is not dark enough. I'll go back in with that Davis brown pencil just to darken it up a bit. We are done. We are done, and then we'll go in with a lip gloss. On a good day, I'll either use this Avon nude lip gloss or my Zaron 24 karat lip gloss. No lipstick, nothing, just a gloss. There you have it, guys. Sometimes I don't even bother to use a setting spray, but if I have to, I have this one I decanted, the Kiss Beauty setting spray, I decanted into this container. It's always with me. I will just mist it. But this Kiss Beauty mascara, like, it smears, so I would often wait when I get, like, just toss this in my bag, and when I get close to where I'm going, this mascara would have had enough time to dry. I'll just mist all over my face. But this is it. Like, once I do this, I'm out the door, and when you see me in person, this looks absolutely beautiful. So there you have it, guys. Our easy, breezy, quick 10 to 15 minutes makeup look. If you just want to look put together, you know, you wear your clothes, put on your jewelry, and you are out the door, and you still look like, you know, you did something. If you also want to use a lipstick, feel free, but lip gloss is very, very important. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye, guys.